Welcome back to Instable. So again, after yesterday's CPI inflation report coming out just below expectation, and as we have been looking for that possible bullish candle structure to continue on above or below our prior balance here, and again, as we sit here just above our midpoint and still just above our 10-day moving average that we have been keeping an eye on here. So again, sitting just above our midpoint and our 10-day. Are we going to continue on higher? I'm going to go over exactly what that bullish case scenario would look like and what exactly would give us confirmation that we are shifting into bearish momentum. I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel. And again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news as early as you're going to find it, any major data sets that you want to be watching in the market, any major levels that you want to be watching on major volatile movers. For example, we had HCDI today, a volume spike just below $9.20, spiking up to $9.75 on the day, a nice continuation, and also continued on the day up to $10. If you guys did play a continuation, this is one of many volatile movers that we mentioned in the Instabulls room. If you guys want to see any other major volatile movers that we mentioned in the Instabulls room, check out the last two SPY videos before this. We mentioned a couple 100% breakouts that we mentioned this week in the Instabulls room. Again, we had HCDI actually earlier this week as an alert, a major breakout that we had in the Instabulls room with pre-market news. Actually, we were halted out the gate at $5.25, I believe, here, and continued on all the way up to $15. Again, these are the type of major volatile movers that we mentioned in the Instabulls room. Go to instabulls.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here, again, looking at our daily candle structure as we look for that possible continuation above our prior balance high. What I would be looking at besides our prior balance high here is our symmetric triangle that we have been keeping an eye on overall. Again, this is our symmetric triangle that we are still holding above here, as you guys can see, very much holding this symmetric triangle. Again, closing with two hammer candles, one larger than the other, just above our 10-day moving average, looking to see if we can continue to increase in buy pressure here on our MACD. Again, we have been getting that decrease in sell pressure with our white shaded lines coming in. We want to see that increase in buy pressure. We need green solid bars to start to come in to show that we are increasing in strength, and then we do want our 12 crossing back above our 26 here. We have not crossed above, and that is why we have not continued on. Again, overall sitting within contraction, looking for that decompression. Again, on the weekly chart, as we have been having our 21 weekly moving average crossing above our 50 weekly moving average, we have not had that happen throughout the duration of our last year of selling off. So again, as we have been continuing to respect our 10 weekly moving average, we have to assume that we are looking for any bullish case scenario from here. Again, at this point, looking for that bullish candle structure on the daily chart, still looking for that confirmation, but very much testing for that possible bullish case scenario. Again, if we have any major bearish case scenario, in my opinion, it will be very obvious. Our 12 EMA will cross below our 26 on our weekly moving average, and that will be that possible continuation if we drop below the median of our MACD. But until that does happen, we still have to cross below our 21 weekly moving average, and we still even have to cross below our median if we're going to have any major sell-off. So again, no major panic at this point in time. Again, we have been cautious to the downside, and again, playing many dips that we have been getting from our momentum that we have been getting on our larger time frames. Again, a nice bounce back that we had on the daily chart today. Again, a hammer candle, another bounce back after we had one yesterday at our 409 Fibonacci level that we have been keeping an eye on here. Again, today bouncing exactly off of our 410 Fibonacci. We're looking to see if we can continue to respect our 10-day. So far, we are continuing to respect it. If we happen to drop down below our 0.786 fib, which is here at our 410 level, then in my opinion, we can continue on lower and possibly retest our 50-day. But in my opinion, still looking for possible support on our 50-day. So again, not as much room to run to the downside till we get any major bearish candle setup at this point. Closing above our 10-day, looking for any possible major continuation from here. But until we get our 12 crossing back above our 26, until we do get that increase in buy pressure, we are very much on watch for that possible continuation, possible bullish candle structure as we sit here again, still within our midpoint. A lot of consolidation here, as you guys can see, one hammer candle after an inverted, after a hammer candle on support. So again, multiple times within consolidation, contracting, looking for that decompression, and again, major move that will come soon. And we will know exactly when that happens. Either we confirm lower with our 10 below our 50-day, or we do get our increase in buy pressure with our 12 crossing above our 26 on our MACD. Now again, with that said, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, any major levels that you want to be watching in the market for major volatile movers, any major data sets that you want to be watching in the market, if you guys are definitely watching the market every single day like I am, go to instabills.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instabills very choppy today as we were digesting CPI. We will see if we continue to respect our 10-day from here. And if we do, then we will see if we continue on above our 418 level. And if we can, then we do have that possible retest at our 431 level again for that possible gap. If we continue to respect our 431 level from there, again, our gap would be from 431 to possibly 445 and then 450 from there. As you guys can see, again, our prior gap downs would give us possible gap ups. This is what our targets would be if we happen to continue on higher. Again, just keeping an eye on here for that possible bullish candle structure from here is what we're focused on. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.